my YouTube channel. Okay, today we are looking at this question, which is coming from physics. Okay, so the question reads, the mass of a man is 1,200 grams. What is his weight on the earth and on the moon? Okay, so first of all, before we even start tackling the given question, you as a learner, you should bear it in your mind that mass of an object, be it a human being, anything, it doesn't change. Okay, the mass is maintained. Whether you change the planet, you move from Earth to Jupiter, you move from Jupiter to Pluto, the mass will still remain the same. Okay, that you should note. So now, what we are trying to calculate here is the weight. So that is the only difference which is between mass and weight, because weight keeps on changing depending on the place to which that particular thing is. So now, how are we going to calculate the mass, the weight of a given mass of this man? So we know that mass is direct proportion to what? To weight. So weight, when finding weight, it is going to be weight is equals to mass times the gravitational force. Okay. Now remember, here we have two places. We have Earth, which is the planet. We also have Moon. So you, as an individual, you must know the gravitational force which is on Earth and also on the Moon. Okay. So as you may be aware, on Earth, the gravitational force is 9.8, which is rounded off to 10. Okay. Then on Moon, the gravitational force is 1.6. So that is the difference. So even by the time when you'll be answering, okay. So we are saying weight is equals to mass over, mass times gravitational force. So now this one, we are going now to place the values accordingly, because we are starting with Earth. So the gravitational force there is 10. So now before we come to that, remember the SI unit for mass in physics is kgs, kilograms. Now the one that we are given is in grams. So what is it that we are supposed to do? We are going to convert this one to kilograms. How? Remember the conversion of units, very, very important. There what it is 1,000 grams is equals to 1 kilogram. Okay, so now that we are given 1,200 grams, what is our kilogram? So we are saying 1,000 grams is equivalent to 1 kilogram. What about 1,200 grams? We don't know. So we cross multiply. So this is direct proportion, okay? X times that, we are going to have 1,000 grams, then X is equals to 1,000 times 1,200 times that one, 1,200. Then from there, for us to remain with X, we can divide by 1,000 both sides, okay? 1,000 both sides. Here we'll say X is equals to, there we cancel this. So 10 into 12, we are going to have 1.2 kg. Okay, so this is the one that you are going to substitute there, where there is M. Okay, so we are going to say 1.2 2 times the gravitational force, remember on Earth, is 10. So when we multiply this, what are we going to have? We are going to have 12 newtons. Okay. So the SI unit for weight is newtons. Okay. So from there now, we are done according to the question. So this man who had 1,200 grams, the weight on Earth was 12 newtons. Then we come to how was the weight for him when he went to the moon. Okay, so same formula, we are saying weight is equals to mg, then we substitute. Remember, the mass doesn't change, it remains the same. So the mass we have 1.2, then times the gravitational force on this one is 1.6. So the gravitational force on Earth is 1.6. So when we multiply this, what are we going to have? So we'll say 12 times 60. 6 there, we have 2 times 12. Then this one, 6 plus 1, 7. Then 4 point. Then there, we are going to have 2, then 1. Put a 0 there, we add 9, then 1. How many decimal places? 2, 1, 2. So it's here. So the gravitational force, I mean the weight on the moon, it was 1.92. Okay. So just from that point, you can be able to say that weight keeps on changing. So weight just depends on the what? Just depend on the place at which that particular object is. So as you can see, the same mass on Earth, this person had 12 newtons. That was his weight. Then on Moon, 1.92 newtons, but same mass. Okay. So thank you so very much for following. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more educative videos. Thank you. Jile live ka? Still on.